Yay! Chatbot Ninja here. As you can see, I'm doing some uh, BizStackPro basics chat training. So, well, let's have a look at what we're going to do today. And I think what we're going to do is we're going to connect a couple of domains to the actual BizStackPro. We'll do that. I will share my screen first, and then we'll go to I've got a couple of good domains, one with GoDaddy, which I want to show you how to do. And as you can see, it's saved to your DNS management. So there's nothing here that is connecting me to BizStackPro. So what we're going to do is I'm going to copy this. This is what we need. And then I'm going to go to the BizStackPro, and where we're going to start right at the beginning. We're at the launch pad, and then we're going to go down to the bottom to go to settings, and we're going to go to domain, which is around about where are you, domain? There we go, domains. And what we're going to do now is we are going to add our domains. These are the domains that I've already got connected up. You can add as many as you want. We've got unlimited with BizStackPro, unlimited domains. If you've got 100, you can have 100. If you've only got 1 or 2, then you can have 1 or 2. That is totally up to you, but we have got unlimited domains. So all we've got to do is we're going to add, and then we're going to say, right, connect your domain, subdomain. We're going to go and copy in right just there. And then we're going to put in here, we also want the www saved together and together. And because it's with GoDaddy, this one will look for it and it will automatically find GoDaddy. So if we go to here, setting up the domain, it's initializing, and now it should find GoDaddy, which it has. So now all I've got to do is authorize the domain. And it'll go to my account. It will then press the connect, close it, it will verify, takes a little while, it's authorizing it, and then it should pop up in here. Sometimes GoDaddy has a little bit of a problem, but we'll find out in a moment. So it's not letting us do it that way. So what we're going to have to do, we're going to go back and we're going to add it manually. So we're going to put in here command and add it manually, add the records manually, and we're going to go for the A name. So we're going to copy this one, because all we're going to do is at. So if we go here, copy, and done. So now we go to GoDaddy. I'm going to refresh because sometimes it will add the records, which it has. So we're not going to have to do it. There must be something wrong with the lead connector tool for verifying. So what we'll do now is we'll go back and we'll X out of here and then refresh. And we should have save together, earn together. Added. Nope. So we're going to add it again. Oh, so it's save together, earn together. Save together. Earn together. .com. And we're gonna continue. Authorize it. Connect. Close. Yay. Save together, earn together is added successfully. Now we can link it to a funnel. I'm not going. Well, I can do, which we'll do. And we'll just add it to free marketing funnel. We can change it afterwards. It doesn't have to be, yeah. And we'll link the domain. So that's all done. Save together and together is linked to that. Now we're going to do another one, which is Namecheap. Namecheap is a little different because you have to do it manually. So what we're going to do, we're going to come into here, and this is the one, inclusivedigitalsolutions.com. We're going to do that, and we're going to be connecting it up here to BizStackPro, but we're going to do it manually. To do that, we're going to have to go to Manage, and then we're going to go to Advanced DNS. So let's go here, back to here, and we're going to add another one, which is add, and then we're going to say inclusive what was it called? Digital solutions. Inclusive digital solutions.com. And we're going to continue. Now it should find it, but it'll tell us we're going to have to do it manually, which means we've got to add these two records. So I'm just going to copy this because we've got to do an A record with a host at. So we go to Namecheap. Back to Namecheap, we've got to add a record. So we're going to add a new record. We're going to have an A record, and it's an at. And then we're going to post in the, paste in the, and we're going to press. So That is now an A record done. We're going to add a new record and we're going to call it a CNAME. CNAME record, and it's www, and then we're going to target. So we're going to have a look for the target, which is this one. Sites ludicrous. We're going to copy it. We're going to go back to Namecheap, and we're going to paste it into here. And we're going to go for automatic. And then we're going to press the green arrow. Now we can go back to here and we can verify the records. Once it's verified, it will come back as connected. Well, we've done it again. Verify the records again. There seems to definitely be something here that is not working properly. I'm connecting up. Yay. Okay. Takes a little bit longer this time. I'm going to connect up this one. We're going to go for I'm going to go for the social media manager. And then we're going to link the domain. And it's done. So now we've got two domains, one by GoDaddy and one by Namecheap, already connected. And there we have it. So that's all for this video. I hope that helps you. Pretty easy, really, to connect up a domain. It's simple. Just take it easy, follow the steps. Watch the video, do it, pause it, do it, run, pause it, do it, run it. So easy. And you should be able to connect up domains through any of your domain suppliers, domain registrars. Okay. I will see you in the next video. Goodbye for now.